Google has made a bold move in the AI race. With Jules 2.0, a new era in software development is beginning. The AI race has reached a point of no return. The world's biggest tech giants are spending billions to determine who will shape the future. And among them, one name stands out, overshadowing its rivals with unmatched power, data infrastructure, and engineering capacity: Google. Now, Google has made a groundbreaking move that could rewrite the rules of coding. Its name is Jules 2.0. But this isn't just another software tool. It's an autonomous AI engineer that fully understands your projects, works tirelessly in the background, solves problems before you even notice them, plans your goals, and brings them to life. Tasks once thought possible only through human teams can now be executed by a single AI at lightning speed. And this isn't some distant vision of the future. It's a reality that's already here, right at our fingertips. Google has officially launched the most powerful AI tool set to transform the world of coding. And this is not a trial version. This tool isn't limited to just giving you ideas or suggesting small snippets of code. It's designed to work in real projects in real time. Jules 2.0 can dive into massive projects, understand every line of code and structural detail, detect and fix problems before you even notice them, and optimize your workflow. And it doesn't just solve current issues. It plans your next steps, keeps tasks moving, and continues working tirelessly in the background while you focus on something else. Powered by the same advanced AI technology that drives Google's most cutting-edge systems, Jules 2.0 stands out with how seamlessly it integrates into real-world workflows, turning your ideas, designs, and software projects into reality at scale is now faster and more efficient than ever. Tasks that once required days or even weeks of human team effort can now be handled by Jules 2.0 alone, quickly and flawlessly. By catching common coding errors before they occur, running automated tests, managing environments, and safely applying updates, developers no longer have to waste time on repetitive, routine tasks. This is more than just a tool. It's an AI partner that works 24/7, a true productivity engine that pushes your projects forward. With its ability to interpret complex codebases, execute parallel tasks, and optimize workflows, Jules 2.0 opens the door to a new era in software development. And all of this is not a distant future. It's a tangible reality available today. So, what makes Jules 2.0 so special and attention-grabbing? First of all, its working method is nothing short of revolutionary. It goes far beyond the ordinary code suggestion tools we're used to. When you give it a task, it first copies your entire code base into a completely isolated, secure virtual machine on Google Cloud. Because this environment runs independently from your live systems, security risks are minimized. Here, Jules doesn't just scan your code. It analyzes the full project structure, checks dependencies and versions, identifies potential bugs, and autonomously applies all necessary changes. It doesn't stop there. Every modification goes through testing, automated test suites are executed, and the results are presented back to you in a detailed report. In other words, it works just like a real teammate, but one who never sleeps, never takes a break, and is on duty 24/7. This saves developers enormous amounts of time and energy. No more hours wasted on debugging, testing cycles, or repetitive updates. Jules 2.0 takes care of it all, leaving you free to focus on the bigger picture, strategy, and innovation. Its ability to run parallel tasks in complex projects makes it more than a tool. It's a genuine AI collaborator. One of Jules 2.0's most striking innovations is how it completely reimagines the GitHub pull request process. Normally, you have to constantly switch back and forth between your IDE and GitHub to open, review, and merge PRS. Jules handles it all within a single interface. Another major leap is Google's Critic Agent, an AI-powered code review system. This system doesn't just point out missing semicolons or mismatched parentheses. It can detect performance bottlenecks, security vulnerabilities, logical flaws, and even pieces of code that may cause issues down the line. Another huge pain point for developers is recreating the same environment every time they return to a project. Jules 2.0 solves this with its environment snapshot feature. Your entire working environment, from package versions to dependency configurations, can be saved exactly as it is and restored instantly whenever you need it. This makes switching between projects almost seamless. Its interactive task planning system also allows you to dynamically adjust priorities, deadlines, and dependencies, just like in agile methodologies. This is especially valuable for large teams where sudden changes in direction could otherwise disrupt workflows. Meanwhile, the integrated web browser lets you search API docs, library references, and bug fixes without leaving the IDE. No context switching, no broken flow, just uninterrupted focus. On the testing and preview side, the improvements are equally impressive. With Playwright integration, browser tests become fully automated. In projects involving UI components, you can preview visuals and capture screenshots, catching design issues before they ever go live. This is a game changer not just for front-end developers, but for any project involving user interfaces. At the core of all these capabilities is Google's most advanced AI model yet, Gemini 2.5 Pro. It excels at understanding large, complex code bases, running multiple tasks in parallel, and maintaining context without losing track of processes, making it one of the most powerful solutions currently on the market. Pricing comes in 3 tiers: a $1.99 entry plan, a $19.99 Pro plan, and a $249.99 Ultra plan. Higher tiers unlock more daily tasks, greater parallelism, and priority access to the latest models. What sets Jules 2.0 apart from rivals is its approach. Unlike GitHub Copilot, which primarily provides inline code suggestions, Jules can autonomously take on an entire task from start to finish. And thanks to its deep integration with Google Cloud, Gemini AI, and Google One, it delivers unmatched speed and scalability. With Jules 2.0, software development processes are becoming faster, more efficient, and more secure than ever before. Time-consuming tasks such as routine work in complex projects, error detection, and testing are now handled in the background, allowing developers to focus on strategy and creative solutions. This tool has the potential to transform workflows not only for individual developers, but also for entire teams. Seeing what's possible in the world of coding makes it clear how quickly AI technologies and humanoid robots are becoming a part of our lives. And that is truly exciting. If you don't want to miss out on these innovations, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about Jules 2.0 and similar AI tools? Will they truly revolutionize the world of software development, or will they remain as powerful assistants alongside human developers? Share your opinions in the comments. Let's discuss together and keep following the latest updates in this fast-moving field.